we got a canned ham DS90. This thing's been sitting for a long while. Got a bunch of crap in the tank. Carburetor was corroded up. We got it cleaned up, checked out. Air filter was completely saturated in oil. Got this thing running. This is a neighbor's quad. Got it for the kids. Love having the kids ride around. They sit there and watch us on the track all the time. It's good to have neighbors riding too. So we're getting it all fixed up for them. Get all these lines cleaned up. Choke cable doesn't want to work right. Get that fixed up. Yep, she's got a little quirk here and there. Not a big deal whatsoever. Hit that subscribe button. We got all kinds of different build videos and ride videos going on. End of this video is going to be a little ride video, one-handed holding the camera, ripping around the track. You guys can see in the lines all the crap coming out of the reserve side of the gas tank. Yes, we flushed it out a few times. Still got to get it out the bottom. It takes a while. Memberships available. Comments. Let me know what you guys think. You guys want to see some content? Let me know. You got mechanical questions? Hit them up in the comments. I'll see if I can make a video about it. Back this thing out the shop. Throw it in gear. There is no gears. High, low, neutral, reverse. Get out here and rip around some. Listen to this thing sing. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Check out the channel and the thousands of videos that are on it. Helps you turn the gas on.